of the oh god, the hang on.
I know exactly who I am, where.
Hello heavy metal mayonnaise masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a bit of a bittersweet one. I am opening my last ever House of Bats collection. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So House of Bats are a beautiful female run small business that make gorgeous acrylic jewellery from 100% recycled acrylic. All 10% of their profits go to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation. They're just a flipping fantastic small business run by one of our own, and sadly they are no more. It's gutting, it really is. I was so sad when I found out. So I've known Anna from House of Bats for quite some time. I met her at London Edge a few years ago and I've just loved everything that she's produced. I've loved following her. We have had so much fun, you know, promoting her brand. It's been brilliant. In fact, only a few weeks ago she sent me all of these coasters and a beautiful apron and tea towel and stuff from House of Bats for her homeware collection, and some gorgeous mugs that I absolutely love, those mugs. And unfortunately with Brexit and you know, her having had COVID and just all the things that hammer a small business, she's decided that she is not making enough profit to be worth her while, and she's going to have to close the business, and it is so sad. She'd only just dropped the latest collection like 2 weeks before she decided to close, of the hang on. The Apothecary Collection. Yes, she'd only just dropped the Apothecary Collection and sadly has had to close. So before she did, I quickly jumped on her website when she said it was closing on the following Friday, and I bought a couple of items. They were, well, you'll see when I open them. I had to get them. They are literally made for me. So let's open this up and have a look. So what I'm wearing is from the Momento Mori collection. This is a beautiful graveyard scene. Love this. This is on a necklace, and I will show you what I got from her. So this time I went for a choker and a pair of earrings. So they're both the same design. You'll see. I had to get them. So they're on this beautiful faux suede like cord, the chokers, and it's a blood bottle. And I got matching blood bottle hoop earrings to go with it because, well, they're just so flipping cool. There we go. So if you weren't aware, I am a blood scientist and I work in a haematology and transfusion laboratory, so I had to get the blood bottles. I had to. So what else, I hear you cry, is in the Apothecary Collection. So we have got, there is a white bottle, there is a venom yellow bottle, there is a pink toxic bottle, there is a blue tears bottle, there is a skull and crossbones, and there is a green absinthe bottle. And there's also a poison bottle, which is also green, so I'm not sure if they're a slightly different shade. But yes, they're beautiful. There's also a cauldron, there's a plague doctor one, there's some gorgeous designs. So this is only on Etsy. Unfortunately, the website has now closed and is no more. So if you want to pick up some stuff, head over to Etsy. If you put House of Bats into Google, it comes up straight away on Etsy. She has got some beautiful things there, and she's basically selling off all the old stock. So it's all the collections. It's the Abandoned Spaces collection, it's the Bathory collection, it's the Momento Mori collection, and the new Apothecary, just say it fast, Apothecary collection. So, sorry. Please go and support her. Obviously, she's made all this stuff. It would be great if she could make her money back on what she's made. And they're really cool pieces, and you won't be able to get your hands on them anymore. Unfortunately, the homeware stuff that I opened a few weeks ago, because she was buying that directly from the suppliers, that's not available anymore, which is such a shame. But if you want to get your hands on any of the House of Bats collections, if it's still available, if she's still got one made, it's available on her Etsy shop. I will of course put a link down in the description so that you can go straight to that to get to the Etsy shop as well, because it would be amazing if you guys could go and support her at such a sad time. This is just, it sucks. I'm really gutted about it. It's really sad to see my friend's business not taking off. And there we go. That is them on. I just think they look fantastic. I mean, you know, I love a poison bottle. I'm covered in poison bottles all over the place. I've got one on both arms, on my chest. I've got one planned for a leg. You know, I love me a poison bottle. So these are beautiful and, you know, perfect colours. These earrings, I've got really into giant hoopy earrings recently, so I really like these. These are awesome. And look how cute they are. It's just, it's gorgeous, and I'm gutted that she's not going to be making new collections. It's just really sad. So sadly, she said that a lot of it is to do with people, you know, undercutting her. People like Shein and Wish and all of those crappy companies that come along and steal designs, just utterly undercut her. She just said the business is so ruthless that because, you know, people go, oh, why should I pay that much for something which has been handmade by her out, you know, and a really great ethical company being made in this country, but people have got used to cheap knockoffs and the prices that cheap knockoffs come at, and sadly, you know, they expect to pay pennies for some really decent work, which is so sad. You know, they say good ain't cheap and cheap ain't good, you know, and I definitely agree. These are gorgeous. I love them. They look absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I'm really pleased. It's a bittersweet thing because these, I'm so thrilled, but I'm really sad that it's the last thing I'm going to get from them. So please go and support House of Bats. Please. If I ever was calling you to action, now is the time to go and spend a few pounds with House of Bats, support a small business in, you know, the end of its shine, and hopefully it will rise from the ashes and we will see something in the future when Anna feels that she's able to do it again and the financial landscape is better for it. But sadly, if you want House of Bats stuff now, it's now or never. But aren't they gorgeous? Look, and I mean, they're just so cute. I love them. It's such a great use of the acrylic. I love the colour. I love the little pop of colour. You know, I had to go for red, obviously, and I was so pleased that it was blood because it's so me. So yes, let me know what you think as well. I just think they're gorgeous. Go, spend some money. Please go support Anna. It's such a shame, but yeah, I'm really sad. So let me know what you thought. What are your favourite items from the collection? There's so many different items there available. Please go pick one up if you can. Remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss anything that's come up in the video, especially if you have any messages for Anna, because where her Instagram's gone, just pop them down in the video description. I'm sure she'd really like to hear from you guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.